In the previous video, I showed you how to output model fits to Excel so that you can manipulate them and make figures on your own. If you just want to output the figures to look at them in R, you can do that as well, and that's what we'll go over in this section of the code that's called plot model fits. So you'll notice that there's three different plot sections of code. The first section will plot the first three models that successfully fit. So in this case, that would be A, B, and D. Then the next section will fit the next three successive models. And if you fit more than 6 models, up to 9, this section of code will plot the last 3 fits. So I'll highlight this section, click run, and then this is the output C over C naught versus theta of models A, B, and D. You can zoom in on this, take a look if you would like. And if you want to save this plot to file, you can do that as well by clicking on export same as image. And we'll just call it our plot. And so we can click save. We'll view plot after saving. We'll click save. And sure enough, this is our plot. And if we go into our working file, we'll find our plot, which we exported as a JPEG. And so we can look at that plot as well. So we can export these plots directly from R. A benefit of doing this is that we can quickly see that model B was the best fit of the three. Model A fit reasonably well. Model D did not produce a great fit for us. So we'll do the same thing with the next 3 successful models. And this has models E, H, and I. And again, we can look at the different fits that were achieved in tracer data. And if we want to, we can save this as an image or even just copy it to the clipboard. If we had successfully fit more than 6 models, we could run this section of code. And you'll notice that I get an error and no plot, and that's because we only had a total of 6 models that fit well. So we've gone over a number of different things. We've gone over how to load your tracer data into Excel. We've gone over how to fit it to some standardized models from peer-reviewed literature. We showed how to export some fitting parameters and statistics about those fits to Excel. We showed you how to export those fits to Excel so you can make figures and manipulate them yourself. And we also went over how you can make those figures in R.